Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another rental home brought to you by YesWeRentHouses.com. Make this house your home. I'm walking through a 2-bedroom, carpeted bedrooms, by the way, single family detached home, really nice neighborhood in Dundalk, Maryland. This property's not going to last long. Like most of our beautiful rentals, you can apply today at YesWeRentHouses.com. Click the link wherever you're seeing this video. Go to the listings tab and you can apply right there. So this is the second floor. I'm going to take you down to the first floor where there is some spacious rooms. So you have a sunroom off of the front porch. You have a living room area. You have a dining room area. Again, folks, this property is not going to last long. Really nice appliances, pretty cabinets, countertop, washing machine, and refrigerator. Folks, this home could be yours. All you have to do is visit www.yeswerenthouses.com and apply today. See you soon.